Hey guys, welcome back. I am Ashish. So, in our last video, we talked about the introduction to Java 8. So, we talked about default methods. So, in this tutorial, in this video, we will talk about Lambda expression. So, before talking about Lambda expression, so we will talk about what functional interfaces are. So this is what we are going to talk, functional interface. So what is exactly functional interfaces are? So functional interfaces are such interfaces which exhibit single functionality. Single functionality. What exactly this means? So let's see. We'll take one example. So this is what we talked in our last video. So we had method utility. We had in this interface one method declaration. We had one default method implementation. We had a class which was implementing math utility and Java tester. So in this, for understanding the functional interfaces, we need to define an interface. So let's see guys, this I have already done for you. So here we have one interface, math utility, which contains only one operation, just one operation. So such kind of interfaces which contains only one operation or one method declaration are called the functional interfaces. So this is one functional interface. So why is this called a functional interface? Actually, Java 8 has released a lot of new Lambda expression features which are based on this functional interface. So if you want that no one in future make it a non-functional interface, you can declare it as functional interface annotation. So now if someone tries to define another or declare another method, let's see like this, see, it shows an error, invalid functional interface annotation. If we remove this, it works fine, right? So functional interface is a kind of interface which contains only one method declaration. So what is the use of this? Actually the main use is in Lambda. So in this video we will talk about Lambda expression. So first let's see what is the syntax for Lambda expression. Syntax for Lambda expression. So we will be having some parameters. We'll be having this arrow and a body. So this is what the syntax for Lambda expression. So the same way we will be using over here and see the use of Lambda expression. So in my previous tutorial, previous video, I talked about the implementation of this interface. Let's go back. So for using this interface, we need a class which implements this interface. And we created over here the class object and we are calling it, right? So now over here we will do the same using the lambda expression. So for lambda expression we need not to create any extra class which implements the interface. So let's see how. So let's suppose we want to have one adder which will be of type obviously this. So we can write as I said, list of parameters, an arrow and body, right? So list of parameters, let's suppose we want to pass as two parameters, int a and b. This is the arrow, and we want to do an operation like a return a plus b. So we are seeing this error. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So now the error is gone. So this part is what is the lambda expression. So what is the use of this? Let's try calling this. System.out.println. We will call adder dot operation. Let's suppose 5 is 10. So as per our expectation, it should print 15. So let's try it out. Yes, we got 15. So this is our first lambda expression program. So this way we can implement many other operations as well. Let's suppose like math utility, we are implementing multiplier. Syntax would be like same, a and b, and we are doing a star b, and we will call this multiplier from here, and let's see the result, what it is printing. 50, right? 5 into 10, 50 it is printing. So now, so lambda provides another flexibility. So here, if you'll see in this method declaration, we already know the type, that a is of type int, b is of type int. So Java 8 automatically figures out the type. So we need not mention here the type. See, we remove the type. Check it out. It is again printing the same result. Now again, if you are not providing any return, Java 8 does the operation and returns the value. So in this case, just do like this. As we in the body, we have only one statement. We need not curly braces, and Java 8 will return the result. So let's check it out. Yes, we got our result. So this is one of the most basic way for lambda expression. So we will see more complex operations using the lambda expression. So in Java 8, There are a lot of other functional interfaces defined, already predefined. So there is a one already existing functional interface which you already know, that is comparable, which is used for comparing two objects. It contains only one method declaration that is compared to. So similar way Java 8 contains and in fact has defined lot more functional interfaces which we will see on our successive videos. So in this video we learnt about functional interface and the basic use of lambda expression. So hope you like this video guys. Thank you. If you like the videos, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you guys.